National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, North Central Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Tomball, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tomball, Greater Greens Point, Spring, Aldine, The Woodlands, Willowbrook, Hurricane Harbor Splashdown, Hooks Airport, Hidden Valley, Northern Acres Home, Greater Inwood, and Northwestern Bush Intercontinental Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.